Welcome to this beautiful property located in southern Oregon. Situated down a long, private gated driveway, this combined 4-parcel, 41.75 acre property is one of the most peaceful locations in the beautiful Williams Valley. This 3-bed, 2-bath home leaves plenty of room for your personal touches and renovations, and features a new roof and fresh paint inside and out. You will enjoy wildlife right out your front door, as well as the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. With its water rights and irrigation setup, this property's agricultural opportunities are endless. Enjoy the pond and the beautiful year-round Williams Creek running through the property, adding another level of beauty to this location. Enjoy a cup of coffee on the peaceful deck overlooking the creek. The mature timber located on the backside of the property has huge long-term income potential, with an estimated $175,000 of standing timber. This property is fully fenced and features various outbuildings, such as the 40 by 70 barn with loft, the chicken coop, pump shed, and an additional storage shed. This central location is only a short drive into Grants Pass or Medford, as well as Jacksonville, for a quiet dinner and wine tasting. Whether you're interested in the private, secluded location, the spacious property, or the beautiful country views, this is the perfect place for you.